BioMarin is actually a very special company, and we are very data-driven. And my boss at that time, who is now the president of R&D, really supports statistics. And since we are, after all, in the Bay Area, it is very important for us to support this wonderful organization. You know, it's really amazing. Of course, they have a great technical program, but the reality is what makes it truly special is it connects us all in the Bay Area, as well as even just the statistical community in general. The other part that I think is very unique is its focus on leadership and developing the next generation of leaders. Well, there's one thing that I really enjoy when I walk in and I see Diamond sponsor and the first name is BioMarin. And that's fantastic, and I think people are more aware of our company. When I started, there were only 1,000 people, and now there are over 3,000. But the awareness of the community of the existence of this wonderful company is right there. Yes, it is nice to have BioMarin's name as a diamond sponsor, but it would be good to acknowledge the continuity of that sponsorship. We've been there from the very beginning, so it would be nice to have like a little thing underneath that says something along the lines of "from the beginning."
I found BBSW a very valuable venue for us to really see our old customers and meet new friends. I think here is really at the heart of the biotech, all this advanced development. So it's very interesting to see what's going on here and really stay the industry, where the industry is going and how the new technology, the new innovation will be applied. So every year when we're here, we learn a lot, and we bring a lot of excitement, a lot of inspirations to our team. I think BBSW really bring the caliber of attendees where I haven't seen the other conferences. And here, everyone is really the industry veteran, has a lot of experience, and really passionate about the industry, really make a bigger impact. So every time when I come here, again, I am inspired. When I walk away, I just feel I understand better what we are doing every day, what we are, the difference we can make. So this is the aspect I really appreciate. So for this year, we did select a platinum package, and it gave us a chance to have a brief talk about what unique things we can bring to the broader audience. Again, it's extremely valuable for us to talk to a large concentration of the people with an extreme experience and really the thought leaders, visionaries. And another thing is a lot of our customer actually is in this area. So we'll be continuous to support BBSW. I think we really enjoy it. I think the sponsorship package provided to us and the option we were given, I think it is really fit our needs, and it's been very valuable to us.
Are there any other benefits you would like BBSW in future conferences to offer to sponsors?
I think if possible, I would love to have some, let's say, the demo sessions. This way we can talk a little bit more in details and have some focused discussion. That's what I'm hoping.
I'm very honored to sponsor this great event. We've been doing that for 5 consecutive years, so it's a must-attend event for us. I think what I enjoy most is a very intimate event that a lot of industry statisticians come together to learn from each other, and it's a great networking opportunity for us. the demand for statistical talent is very high. So we count on attending this event to network with a lot of candidates and then connect them with the right opportunities. I think that there are a lot of volunteers in the BBSW committee, right? They have invited very high caliber speakers and make the program very attractive. That's why year over year there's a lot of people registering and attending this event. So we just see a lot of traction locally. That's why I think it's different from a very large national event. For us, since we're based in the Bay Area, it's a must-attend event. Yeah, for us, we enjoy having the booth because it's just, we meet a lot of people over LinkedIn or over Zoom call, but having the booth presence give us opportunity to meet people in person, you know, whether they're client managers or candidates. I think it's always good to put a face behind a name. I enjoy meeting a lot of people, and some people I only meet once a year, and that's at the BBSW. Maybe some networking opportunity with people, right? Because the agenda is very tight. Maybe consider adding some fun social networking opportunities with attendees. I also wonder if it's possible to add some meetup events in between the annual conference. I know some of them are on the virtual side, right? Sometimes there's like webinars, but I think that meeting people in person is a very valuable experience. So having some smaller events where people can meet and share experience would be great.
We're glad to be here to support and sponsor for the BBSW. We have been sponsoring the BBSW for the last 5 years. We're proud to be the sponsor and the support continuously.
I would have to say the people and the different companies that come here. It's also very intimate and you make very good relationships here and people keep remembering you every year. I would also say the content of the workshops is very, very helpful and it's just all around a great time each year.
The BBSW is unique and very attractive to us. The Bay Area is certainly in the forefront of science, methodology, technology, so we benefit a lot by learning from the folks here. It's also a good time for us to come to see our sponsors so we can enhance our collaboration. And of course, there are a lot of talents here, so that will help us a lot while we'll grow to provide better support to our sponsors. Yes, we would like to see BBSW grow and then attract more talents and share more technologies so we can all grow to provide a better service and then benefit the patients and everybody.
There are a couple of decisions that we took when we wanted to sponsor BBSW. First, its rich history. Over 5 years of really interesting content that has been developed because of just a fantastic group of statisticians and people that are involved in biometrics, and all related to small and mid-sized biotech. So for our team, it's really important to foster this community, and by working together, we've been able to develop really nice content this year that's really important based on a lot of the internal and external elements that are affecting biotech today. So for us, it made all the sense to keep going with BBSW as the premier organization. What's unique and what we really like about BBSW is that it's a collegial environment. Everyone's very friendly and very supportive of each other's
professional growth, leadership growth, as well as academic and commercial applications that are being used in clinical development. So for us as sponsors, we want to maintain that ecosystem and that collegial environment. And what's unique is that this is all about Bay Area biostatistical issues that are affecting the regional economy. And being able to be a part of this unique environment and being able to understand these challenges, this gives us a chance to put together solutions that are going to be relevant to our small and mid-sized biotech partners. We want to make sure that we're fostering this environment of being able to connect different organizations with different skill sets in a collaborative manner. And being able to do this on a regular basis is what we feel is really unique. Again, being able to have an environment that's collegial, where you can freely share what's working, not working, what are some of the trials, what are some of the tribulations that are going on, and being able to exchange this in an open forum, I think is really important. And for that, we really want to make sure that we're supporting this group. It's a unique group. There are no other organizations like this in the Bay Area. And I think as we move forward, it would be very helpful for vendors and sponsors to share more information about what is working, what is not working. For many organizations, it's helpful to know what are the challenges. How can we still understand what our audience may need before the conference, during the conference, and after the conference. So being able to have that type of communication continuum, I think is really important, and I think that's something that BBSW can grow for next year and for subsequent years.
I was here last year. I found that this conference is very focused on the area we provided the service, and also this is the center of the biotech company West Coast. So lots of attendees, they are interested in our business. That's why we decided this year become a sponsor. Yeah, I think this conference, they have very high level in the statistical area, touch the real, the challenges, the problem in our clinical trial industry. They invited the people from the area in this community. The topic is also the challenge we are facing. So this is a very unique and a very specified conference. Oh yeah, as a sponsor, this time we have plenty the sponsorship. There's lots of the benefit from them. The number one, you have a bigger booths, and you got some like 5 minutes speak, introduce your company, and you have lots of opportunity to interact with local the head in the biostatistics area. So that is a business opportunity. We think it's worth the spending. Other benefits, I think this conference is very concentrated, focused on the most advanced challenges currently we are facing. For instance, they have a topic regarding like machine learning, AI technology, how that going to be impact the future clinical trial. So when we come here, we learn what the people are thinking, what the people are doing. That is a very useful information for us.